Hello and welcome to our video on the best natural antibiotic drink for a stronger immune system. In today's world, it's more important than ever to take care of our health and strengthen our immune system. And while there are many supplements and medications that claim to do just that, nothing beats the power of nature. That's why we're excited to share with you the recipe for a natural antibiotic drink that can help you stay healthy and strong. So without further ado, let's get started. Before we dive into the recipe, let's talk about why this natural antibiotic drink is so amazing for your health. First of all, it's packed with nutrients. The ingredients we'll be using are all natural and full of vitamins and minerals that your body needs to function at its best. Secondly, this drink is loaded with antibacterial and antiviral properties. The ingredients we'll be using have been shown to have powerful effects against harmful bacteria and viruses, making this drink an excellent natural remedy for fighting infections and illnesses. And finally, this natural antibiotic drink is incredibly easy to make. You don't need any fancy equipment or expensive ingredients. Everything you need can be found at your local grocery store. So, now that you know why this natural antibiotic drink is so beneficial, let's get into the recipe. For this recipe, you will need 1 lemon, 1 garlic clove, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, ½ teaspoon of turmeric, ¼ teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 cup of warm water. And here's how to make it. Squeeze the juice of 1 lemon into a glass. Crush 1 garlic clove and add it to the glass. Add 1 tablespoon of honey to the glass. Grate 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger and ½ teaspoon of turmeric and add it to the glass. Add ¼ teaspoon of cayenne pepper to the glass. Pour 1 cup of warm water into the glass and stir well. Let the mixture steep for 5 to 10 minutes before drinking. And there you have it, the recipe for the best natural antibiotic drink for a stronger immune system. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Remember, taking care of your health is one of the most important things you can do, and this natural antibiotic drink is a great way to start. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. And if you have any health-related topics that you would like us to make a video on, please leave us a comment below.